At a rehearsal for the Trooping of the Colour on Horse Guards Parade in London, the heat was too much for some. Medical teams rushing to help as soldiers wearing bearskin hats struggled to cope with temperatures as they climbed towards 30 degrees. Prince William, inspecting the Welsh Guards on horseback, tweeted his thanks for those who had endured the difficult conditions. Heat can be especially dangerous for the vulnerable, and at this elderly care home in Weybridge, they paid close attention to the health warnings.
For our residents, we can keep an eye on them. We can we offer drinks. We've got hydration stations everywhere, iced lollies, ice creams, iced melon as well. Anything that they want to be able to get them through this hot period, and obviously just making sure that we're keeping up a dialogue with our residents and making sure that they know that they've actually been in the sun for a little bit. They might want to try a shady spot, etc.
Even the home's normally popular garden offers little respite.
I love the heat. I love sitting out in the sun. But at the moment it's getting a bit too much. So I sort of drink a lot. And I sit out in the sun for maybe half an hour, then I go in the shade.
And what do you do to keep yourself cool other than going in the shade?
Drinking. Not gin and tonic, just drinking water or lemonade.
Of course, it's not unusual for it to be hot in the summer, but these temperatures are above average for this time of year. And climate scientists are telling us that heat waves like this are made more likely and more intense because of global warming.
That means potentially adapting to many more impacts beyond the medical.
We're going to see a lot more forest fires, wildfires. It's quite daunting, really, isn't it? And a lot more thunderstorms. There's going to be a lot more drought. I think farming is going to get harder, honestly, and soil health is going to struggle. So it's going to be something we're really going to have to adjust to.
Many with the means to cool themselves down are enjoying the kind of weather you might normally expect in Spain. But it hasn't been this hot this early in the summer in England for nearly 20 years, a sign perhaps of the more severe conditions that the UK must prepare itself for. Hannah Thomas-Peters, Sky News.